Go.
Hi, this is Dr. Susan Benedict. We're talking about the immune system today. What is it? What does it do? Where is it located? How does it work? So, 80% of your immune system is in your gut. This astounds people, but it's true. Peyer's patches is what they're called, and they're very, very specific lymphoid tissue that actually directs the immune system as to where to place its foot soldiers. What do I mean by foot soldiers? The leukocytes. Those are the white blood cells that are like boots on the ground. They go through the bloodstream, they find the germs, and they kill them. And that is the number one function of your immune system. So I'm going to draw over here on my refrigerator. Let's pretend this is a COVID virus, and this is a mast cell. There's several different kinds of leukocytes, basal, there's basophils, eosinophils, neutrophils. This particular mast cell I'm going to call a polymorphonuclear mast cell because those are the most aggressive ones. They have this granular appearance, and when they come into contact with a bug, they start to change their shape, hence the word morph in there. They actually have this amoeba-like action where they will surround the germ, and in the end, they surround it completely, and they actually digest it. They eat it. So they go back to their granular self here, and your bug is destroyed, gone, kaputsky. And these guys are in your bloodstream. This is just an example of your bloodstream, and this is the blood inside. These guys are not marginated on the edges of your blood stream. They are right in the middle. So that means they're traveling. They're always traveling through your system, and they're scouts. They're looking. They're looking for whatever bugs you might have in your system. So one thing I want to mention about a really good tuned up immune system, you can't run your sympathetic nervous system constantly if you want your immune system to be tuned up. Why? I'll use an example here with SpongeBob. If your immune system has the sympathetic mode on, it's going to take all your blood and all your oxygen and all your resources are going to go into your muscles, because let's just imagine he's running from a dinosaur or something. So he's got to run. If you leave your sympathetic mode on, what happens is the body pumps cortisol and pumps it and pumps it and pumps it. Large amounts of this in the bloodstream dim the effect of the immune system. It simply is a side effect. The immune system is not at its peak when you're in sympathetic mode. So you don't want to be afraid, upset, emotionally volatile if you want your immune system to respond. Good things for the immune system are exercise, fresh air, plenty of water or fluids. Vitamin C is also a really good immune booster. Any of the antioxidants boost the immune system. It makes their job easier. So you want to be well hydrated, you want to be in a good mood, and you want to be exercised. You want to have a good mental attitude, and that is your immunity. I got measles when I was young. I got mumps. I got chicken pox. I'm sure I had the German measles. I had it all. How did I survive all that? My immune system. My immune system was on it. You get sick for a while, you get over it, and you have that immunity for the rest of your life. That is called natural immunity. Those blueprints are in your immune system, and they can be called up anytime you get exposed to it. That's what natural immunity is. Thank you for your kind attention.